Joseph, I understand that just within the past hour, you may have actually set a new record for a condo sale in the Bayview Village neighborhood. Could you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, and we're very excited for our clients. The Superkey team today, literally less than an hour ago, has sold in resale a one-bedroom condo, less than 500 square feet, just a couple doors down from SIX99. That condo was sold at over $1,350 per square foot. That is remarkable if you consider the price point at which SIX99 will be sold and the shortfall of supply in resale. Pre-construction at SIX99 is looking like a really good bet, especially when you check out the sales center and see the finishes that they have on presentation.
Outstanding. Nicely done on that new record. Thank you very much, Joseph.
Thank you, Charles.
We can't wait to have your clients come to SIX99.
Thank you so much.
All right, thanks.